Hey there guys, it's Zach from Festiva University, and we're here again today to help you navigate the member portal and to better understand your account with us. So today we are going to review how to make a payment towards your maintenance fees. So let's begin by opening up your preferred browser, and then once you have the browser open, we are going to go to the Festiva webpage at www.festiva.com. Now once you're here, we are going to go to the top right hand side of the page and click on the login button. And this will take us to the login page for the Festiva Member Portal. And you can log into your account using your email address and the password that you have chosen for your account. So once you're logged in here, you'll see that you are on the account membership summary page, and this is the home page of the member portal. So at the very top of the screen here, you'll see your account information, your name, your contract type, your owner ID, and your contract ID, and that will be here in the top section in the yellow highlighted box here. Now just above this section, you'll see a button that says make a payment here. Now we're going to hover our mouse above this button, and when we do that, a drop-down box is going to appear there, and we're going to click on the button that says make a payment now. And once you do this, a box is going to open up here in the middle of the screen, and firstly here we will see any assessments owed for the current usage year, and right underneath of that we're going to see the option to either pay with a credit or a debit card, or you can pay with a bank draft using either a checking or a savings account. Now, the default option for the member portal will be to have you make a payment using a credit or a debit card. And if you'd like to make a payment using a card, we're just going to enter the information there as it appears in the card. So we're going to enter the name, the credit card number, the expiration month and year, and the 3-digit security code as it appears there on the back of the card. Now, if you are using an American Express card to go ahead and make your payment, that will be a 4-digit security code, and it will be located on the front of the card instead of on the back of the card there. After you enter the card information, you see just below that the amount due is in red there, and the payment amount, which is the amount that you'll be paying today, is going to be in green. Now the full balance due will be the default amount entered here. However, if you do wish to make a partial payment, you can do so by just clicking on the amount there in green and enter the amount that you wish to pay. And once you finish entering the payment information and the amount that you wish to pay, go ahead and click on Submit Payment here to the right. And once you go ahead and click on that, a receipt of the payment will then populate on the screen, and this will include a 6-digit authorization number from the credit card company. And you can either download or you can print a copy of that for your records there. Please keep in mind it can take up to 2 to 3 business days for the payment to draft out of your account. So if you don't see the payment coming out of the account right away, don't be alarmed. If more than 3 business days pass and you still do not see the payment there posting on your account, please feel free to give us a call here at Member Services to confirm that the payment has posted successfully to your account there. So to exit this screen and return to the account membership summary page, let's go ahead and click on Cancel. And to make a payment using a bank account, we're going to go ahead and click on Make a Payment Now again by hovering over the Make a Payment button and then clicking Make a Payment Now. And this will pull up the same screen that we just saw when we made a payment using a credit or debit card, but in this case we're going to go ahead and click on Bank Draft. Once we do that, we're going to enter your account's routing number here. And once you enter the routing number, the name of your bank will appear here just above that. If you notice that the name that appears there is incorrect, we do recommend just verifying that the number that you entered for the routing number is correct there. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and enter your account number. Now once you've entered the routing and the checking or savings account number, you can go ahead, again, if you'd like to make a partial payment, you can change that amount there in the green numbers under payment amount. The default option will be to pay the total amount due. And then once you've chosen the amount that you wish to pay, we do recommend just to verify that everything is correct there on your screen. And once you do that, go ahead and click on Submit Payment. After you complete the payment there, a receipt is going to populate on your screen, which you can download or print. But please note that payments made by bank draft can take up to 2 business days to draft. So due to this, there is no confirmation code on the receipt, and you may not see the funds drafted from your account immediately there. So we do hope that this tutorial has been helpful for you guys. If you have any questions or you prefer to make a payment over the phone, you are of course always welcome to reach out to us in Member Services here to speak with a representative, and we can answer any questions that you may have regarding your account there.